A day of joy for people living with disability, a much-needed intervention. Mobility and access to resources for them remains a challenge. Poor infrastructure in the rural areas exacerbates the situation. The intervention follows an SABC News piece of a disabled woman in Nyandeni who had been using wooden sticks to walk around, which touched the public.
We don't turn a blind eye. We saw the cry of the people of Nyandeni and we had to act, especially when they talked about the elderly people needing the wheelchairs. We had to step in. As business people, we need to help where the help is needed.
For the last few years, we are training. We get sponsors from the BBE companies to sponsor people living with a disability. And in the Eastern Cape, we are trying in the rural areas especially to train them in computers, IT end user, business admin, also in retail, and that is what we are trying to do.
A call for government departments to intervene was loud and clear.
All departments must come assist us. Special health must lead and talk to other departments, because especially if in other departments, justice also is a challenge to us, because some people are abusing us. They must take a responsibility for that. When we report somebody have been a challenge of crime or whatever they do, that person, justice must take care of that.
The beneficiaries of this donation couldn't contain their joy.
I don't know what to do. I'm over the moon. I'm just relieved because I will no longer depend on other people to push me around. I'm able to go to work without anybody's assistance. I'm grateful and it's a dream come true for me. Thank you so much.
Programs to improve access to resources for people living with disabilities is also in the pipeline.
We adopted that we needed to address the issue of infrastructure, because some of other people, they do have wheelchairs but they don't have access to reach their homes and also to go to the public transport. That is the challenge we have.
OR Tambo and Alfred's regions have a high number of people with disabilities in the province. Lack of wheelchairs, hearing devices, and accessible housing are some of the challenges faced by people living with disabilities. Nyandeni, SABC News, Libode.
News in tonight, the public protector